I say anything, I would like you to put your share button. Activate your share button. You go there, can a share button now. Because Ozia, the very important thing. Where are my followers? 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. Where are you guys? Come on. You don't think Governor Sorudo Gachani, Onye Gachani, Governor Sorudo, Onye Gachani, Governor Sorudo. It's here can share button. Itagala my governor. The governor named me far for a. Have you tagged my governor? Governor, thank you so much for hearing my voice, for listening to my videos. Anytime they tag you, when I started this campaign, have you guys heard? Have you guys hear? Have you guys gonna hear? Akwa Okuko has finally been arrested. Hey, Governor Sorudo, you must continue to challenge. Governor Sorudo got challenge. Hey, Jesus, have you heard that Akwa Okuko has been arrested? 2021, 22, I started this campaign. Who knew that this wonderful governor, this noble governor, will listen to a voice like my voice, will even understand the cries of the people, how innocent people are being used for Okipe? Who knew? Who knew? Hey, Governor Sorudo, I will personally, Ogechi Okeke Njaka, I will campaign for you. I will use my platform to tell people the reason why you should uphold that office extra 4 years. Even if it's possible, let them give you extra 8 years. Because what I have seen since I came back from the States, I've been in Inewi. Since my Inewi people, pride they want to finish us. Peter, our ex-governor, Peter Obi, refused to build road for Inewi. Ubiano refused. But you, because of your kind gesture, because of Obiomage, you are now building road for Newi. I saw it, I was like, who is this governor? Man, you are nothing but a God sent to Anambra State. I went to your town, Governor Sorudo, see what you are building. Alabuna, another Azotaya, I was like, why can't people glorify this young man? Governor Sorudo, may God keep you for us. May you live long. Now, I want to bring another thing to your attention. Very, very important. There are accessories that Akwa Okuko used to accomplish this massive impunity. The accessories are JPAC, Okumugudivya, Wagaji, especially this man called JPAC. He has damaged many youths. JPAC has damaged and destroyed many youths in the name of promoting Akwa. Now let me tell you this story. It's not only a story, it's nothing but the truth. JPAC was the first person that brought Akwa Okuko on social media. JPAC opened page for Akwa Okuko. JPAC is the one that opened, that told people, that collected percentage. If JPAC bring 10 persons, JPAC will collect percentage for bringing those people. Akwa, to an extent, JPAC had to convince thousands of our youths to go that Akwa will give them life, Akwa will give them shoe, Akwa will give them money, Akwa will give them a gombute. JPAC is a crime accomplice. JPAC is #1 problem on this blue app. Please, Governor Sorudo, I beg you in the name of Jesus, do not leave these accessories alone. They are what we call crime accomplice. JPAC should come and answer why he used his platform and promoted Akwa Okuko, deceived many youths, and especially too Okogudibia, Wagara Wagaji, and many more that I don't even know their names, but they're full on Facebook. These people decided to destroy our youth. They really destroyed our youth with their lies, with their deceitful mood they obtained by threats. Please do not hesitate to arrest all of them. They are number one, JPAC open page for Akwa Okuko. JPAC brought people with her pain. Go to Akwa Okuko. Onye Okeke. He got matter name when we Akwa Okuko. Onye Okeke. He got matter name when we watched it happen. When I started this campaign, all of them formed and all of them came against me. They cannot fight you because you're the governor. You have the money, you have the connection, you have the power, you have everything it takes. But Ogechi now, I don't base here. As soon as I come back, they will write petition against me. They will start fighting me using inferiority excuses. This was their main problem when I started this. Please, Governor Soludo, arrest all these people. Our youth have been deceived. Many of them don't want to work. Have you ever sat down and asked why our youth are going deceiving young people on the streets, getting young ones? Because Akwa Okuko, there are many videos that Akwa Okuko made and JPAC posted it on his platform to promote this abomination. Many youths, they have lost their lives. Tell me what I've had. Those kind of investments. You know one thing, well, Governor Saud, I'm not going to say you don't know. You lived in America. Your children are in America. You know how everything functions. Everything you earn in America, there must be trace. There must be proof. There must be something to say, yeah, you obtained this legitimately. These people did not obtain anything legitimately. They did what they did because they felt Nigeria has no law. They can obtain anything anyhow they like. Akwa Okuko needs to be audited. They need to ask him, how were you able to generate this kind of fund to build all these hotels? How were you able to generate? And another thing I want to emphasize, share this video. All the youths that Akwa Okuko gathered and collected their money, your petitions are needed now. All the youths that contacted JPAC and JPAC insulted them while he used his platform to promote this madness. You guys should put in your petition. All of you should put in your petition. All of you should bring it now. Put in your petition. Contact. If you write the petition, if you don't know where to submit it to me. I know how to submit it to the governor house. Do it and do it as soon as possible. Do not relent. Nana, for the 5 million, for the 2 million, for the 1 million, for the 10 million. This is the time now. Let us start to eradicate this kind of impunity, this kind of abomination, in a noble way. All those accessories should be arrested. Thank you, Governor Soludo. You are 1 in a million. I will keep singing your praise. Just watch and see the upcoming election and see that we will help you win it. You are a man of honor, and we continue to tell the world who you are. Thank you, sir. We appreciate. Akwa Okuko has been, and many more will be arrested. Please, sir, arrest them, investigate them, arrest them, because when you hear America petition, use your authority, use your power, use your position to bring sanity in our society. Thank you, Governor. You deserve a round of applause. Thank you, sir.
The video that is going viral.
Yeah. It's not my page that posts the video.
And the law, you said you know about the law.
Yeah. I hear about Okeke. I know they do see. The way I hear, go to my page, you see nothing like that.
Okay, you have already stopped.
Yeah, because they say Okeke do this, okay, I just stop it. But that Okite, now we give them Ghana. Okite will not be na men. Okite na the same way. But now because that one they're there for what?
So, gentlemen, we are going to push further. We must. So we want to see those things. Okay? We want to even see where you do these things. And then the evidence that what you're doing. And then even your shop. Okay? Where it is, and that is what the law says. And failure to get all these things, of course you know the consequences. I will add you also. So get the team ready. We will investigate him first. As at this point,
Mukwetara na mụ na-agwọ ọgwụ, mukwetara na mụ na-agwọ oke ite. Onye ọbụla na-agbaziri nnọọ ọgwụ ọsọ, onye ọbụla na-agbaziri oke ite ọsọ. Na-eme ebe a, ana m agwọ oke ite. Na o nwere ọgwụ m a na-agwọrọ. Ọgwụ eji enwe ego, ọgwụ for success. Mana ọ bụrụ ọkwa ọbụ na o nwere ebe na-arị chọba akwa. Mana ọ mụ kwetara na mụ na-agwọ ọgwụ. Onye ọbụla na-asa oke ite mee nke nwoke ite mee nke mụ na-agwọ oke ite, kweta na mụ na-agwọ oke ite. Na-eme onye ọgwụ.